Hey guys, Bobby here, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing. So I ordered 3 boxes worth of stuff at barginbinsupply.com, and I'm going to be doing 1 box at a time, so it might be 3 separate videos. Let's get to it. Alright, so here we go. Oh wow, what's this? Oh, I've actually kind of need some of these. These are, what are these? Scout model number 51 true wireless stereo, wireless headphones, USB temperature data logger. Huh. A color OLED patented multi-directional display. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to test these and make sure that they're doing okay. Oh my goodness, a tablet. What is this? A Dragon Touch tablet. Never heard of this thing before. Looks kind of banged up or whatever. I don't know about prices or anything yet. It's my first one, my first unboxing, so I don't know what to expect as far as that. Indoor digital TV antenna. What's this thing? Oh, a muscle massage gun. My wife is gonna love this thing. We've talked about this actually. It's kind of awesome. Massage gun. Alright, what else do we got? There's my cat Ruby. We've got a Puggo top. It looks like some kind of what is this thing? Some kind of watch, I guess, or wristband. I'm guessing it's a wristband. What is this? Oh, it's a wall charger. Okay, some more wireless headphones. Wonder how much these babies cost. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, this thing fell out of the box. What is this thing? Oh, a Menton eStill? What kind of watch? Oh, it's a watch. Huh. That's kind of awesome. What is this thing? I'm gonna have to open it up and find out. It looks like it's still brand new in the box. Like it's never been opened. I'll have to check that out later. What is this bad boy? UB size. Are these shoes? Let me look. In my next videos, I'm going to try to be more where the camera's not so shaky or steady. Real quick, let's open this up. That's kind of awesome. It's a ring light, and it comes with the stand and a ring light. That's crazy because I thought about getting one of these. Sweet. Yeah, that came in that box. Let's see what else we got. Okay, back to the box. LED power light. Okay. An LED music light strip. Alright. A Menger RGB LED light. I guess we'll look into this later. What does this say on it? Oh, it came in some kind of weird box. TWS earphones. I don't even know what TWS earphones are. I'll look into that later. Okay. Oh, this looks like a, I don't know, flexible tripod battery fan. Huh. It's neat. What's this thing? Brelavi ultrasonic dog repellent and trainer device. That's pretty neat. Look, a fish. Huh. Guess it's still brand new in the bag. Yeah, well, maybe not. Wonder why somebody would want to buy a fish. That's so weird. What's this? Comics on. I'm guessing these are headphones too. Yeah, these are all Amazon returns. Super Shield glass screen protector. This looks brand new. Maybe they ordered the wrong one and decided to send it back. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So that's everything that I got out of this one box, and I will check them on the prices, and in my second video I will tell you I guess how much profit perceived profit I might be getting in my next video for this box. It cost $100 for the box, so hopefully I at least get that back. So now let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so these are 5200 high discharge LiPo battery. I looked at it and it had pictures of RC cars. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's a lot of battery going into an RC car. It's kind of nice. I'm curious to see how much this stuff will cost, or how much I might be able to get out of these products here. So let's see, massage gun, fan, dog repellent, fishy, bunch of randomized stuff. Look, a antenna for your TV. This I'm kind of curious to see if it works. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, Dragon Touch. And it doesn't even come with a charger or anything. I guess the people who had it before. Oh, it's a TAF card. I don't even know what that is. But it charges. It does have a charge right here, but it's weird because it looks like this is like a year old in somebody's possession for like over a year. Look at that. Like somebody like chewed it on the inside. But TWS had earphones. Let's look at these real quick. These are hopefully not used. That'd be kind of gross, but I mean, what do you expect from a return? Actually, looks like the return that these people either left them in here or they just took the headphones. Hold on. Okay, yeah, here they are. Here's the headphones. That's my son. Don't mind him. He's being silly watching TV. I mean, I don't think they've been used. They look pretty good. I'm curious to see how much these suckers are worth. But yeah, in the next video, I will be sure to let you guys know the perceived profit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you like videos like these. I've been talking about Amazon and reselling on Amazon and stuff like that. And I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit. So these are products that I bought on a website. I said the website at the beginning, and I kind of forgot what it is while I'm talking and stuff. It's kind of hard for me to, yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you like videos like these. And if you do, I will try to do more of them. It depends on if I get my money back or not. But hope you guys have an awesome day. All right, see ya.